albatross. A, albatross. A, albatross. A is for albatross. Albatross glides above the sea. B is for bluebird. B, bluebird. B, bluebird. B is for bluebird. Bluebird sings in a happy tree. C is for canary. C, canary. C, canary. C is for canary. Canary chirps so sweet and bright. D is for dove. D, dove. D, dove. D is for dove. Dove flies gently in the light. E is for eagle. 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 E is for eagle. Eagle soars high in the sky. F is for finch. F, finch. F, finch. F is for finch. Finch hops by with a cheerful cry. G is for goldfinch. G, goldfinch. G, goldfinch. G is for goldfinch. Goldfinch shines with feathers gold. H is for heron. H, heron. H, heron. H is for heron. Heron stands by water's cold. I is for ibis. I, ibis. I, ibis. I is for ibis. Ibis walks where rivers flow. J is for jay. J, J is for jay. Jay flutters through the woods below. T is for kingfisher. K, kingfisher. K, kingfisher. K is for kingfisher. Kingfisher dives so quick and neat. L is for lark. L, lark. L, lark. L is for lark. Lark sings songs so clear and sweet. M is for macaw. M, macaw. M, macaw. M is for macaw. Macaw shows colors bold and bright. N is for nightingale. N, nightingale. N, nightingale. M is for nightingale. A nightingale sings through the night. O is for owl. Owl. O is for owl. Owl watches quietly in the trees. Q is for quaillet. P, parrot. P, parrot. Q is for quaillet. Florida chats in the gentle breeze. Q is for quail. Q, quail. Q, quail. Q is for quail. Quail scurry softly on the ground. R is for robin. R, robin. R, robin. R is for robin. Robin sings a joyful sound. S is for sparrow. S, sparrow. S, sparrow. S is for sparrow. Sparrow flutters here and there. T is for toucan. T, toucan. T, toucan. T is for toucan. Toucan shows its colorful flair. U is for umbrella bird. U, umbrella bird. U, umbrella bird. U is for umbrella bird. Umbrella bird calls from the trees. V is for vulture. V, vulture. V, vulture. V is for vulture. Vulture glides with ease and grace. W is for woodpecker. W, woodpecker. W, woodpecker. W is for woodpecker. Woodpecker taps its special place. X is for xenops. X, xenops. X, xenops. X is for xenops. Xenops climbs branches every day. Y is for yellowhammer. Y, yellowhammer. Y, yellowhammer. Y is for yellowhammer. Yellowhammer sings along the way. Z is for zebrafinch. 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 She is for zebrafinch. Zebrafinch ends our bird song today. A is for art box. A, art box. A, art box. A, art box. A is for art box. B is for backpack. B, backpack. B, backpack. B, backpack. B is for backpack. C is for crayon. C, crayon. C, crayon. C, crayon. E is for crayon. E is for desk. E, desk. E, Baby ash. Ash grows strong in every season. B is for birch, beep beep birch, beep beep birch. Birch has smooth and shiny bark. C is for cedar, cedar, cedar. Cedar smiles fresh and sweet. D is for dogwood, dogwood, dogwood. Dogwood blooms with pretty flowers. E is for elm, elm. Elm gives cool and gentle shade. F is for fir, fir. Fir stays green all year long. G is for ginkgo, ginkgo. Ginkgo has fan-shaped leaves. H is for hawthorn, hawthorn. Hawthorn grows tiny bright berries. I is for ironwood, ironwood. Ironwood is very strong and tough. J is for juniper, juniper. Juniper has little blueberries. K is for kapok, kapok grows tall in the forest. L is for linden, linden flowers smell lovely. L is for maple, pink people. Maple is turned bright in autumn. L is for rain, and neem. Neem is famous around the world. O is for oak, oak grows big and mighty. P is for pine, pine has long green needles. Q is for quince, quince grows golden fruit. R is for redwood, redwood reaches high into the sky. S is for spruce, spruce keeps forests green. T is for teak, teak is strong and beautiful. U is for umbrella tree, umbrella tree. Umbrella tree has white shiny leaves. V is for viburnum, viburnum grows colorful berries. W is for willow, willow dances in the breeze. X is for elasma, elasma. Xylosma has glossy green leaves. Y is for yellowwood, yellowwood blooms with white flowers. Z is for zelkova, zelkova spreads